Okay, here you have a typical level 4 question which involves a chart that you have to read horizontally and vertically and use logic to be able to work out a few things that they're going to answer you. So let's have a close look at this chart. So when you're doing a test, you might look at the chart at the top first of all. The table below shows 5 journeys a taxi driver made in one day. Journey number. So this tells us the number of the journey that the taxi driver took. Start time, so this is the time that each one of those journeys took. Have a good look. His first journey started at 9:15 and his final journey started at 12 p.m, i.e. at midday, 10 past midday. Number of passengers that he took on those various journeys, the distance he travelled, and the cost of those journeys. So now it's going to ask you to interpret that information to answer various questions. So the first question is this. On journey number 5, I know it's this one, the passengers shared the cost equally. That's interesting. I have to find out some information to find out how much they used each, they paid each. So I know that the total cost of the journey was £12. I'm going to write that down. And there were 4 passengers. How much did each passenger pay? Now, if I'm going to share £12 equally amongst 4, I know that we're using a divide there. And what they're looking for in this question is your ability to see this information and know what operation you need to use. And so it's a sharing problem. We're finding out how much shared cost there is. So it's 12 divided by 4, and because I know my times tables, 3 times 4 is 12. I know that 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I figure that each of those passengers paid £3 each for this journey to make £12. I'm just going to check it. 4 passengers, £3 each, 4 times 3 should give me £12. Yes, I'm right. So in the box here, I'm going to write 3. £3 is the answer to that one. Question number 2. How many passengers made journeys of more than 10 kilometres? So here's the vital piece of information. More than 10 kilometres. I'm going to tick the journeys that took more than 10 kilometres. Journey 1, 8 kilometres. No. Journey 2 was a 12 kilometre journey. Yes. That was more than 10. Journey 3, 7 kilometres. No, less than 10. Journey 4, 21 kilometres. Yes, more than 10. Journey 5, 15 kilometres. Yes, more than 10. There's another bit to this question though. How many passengers made journeys of more than 10 kilometres? So, on this journey here was 1 passenger, took the 12 kilometre. 1 passenger took the 21 kilometre. And 4 passengers took the 15. So I'm going to add them together because it says how many passengers made journeys of more than 10 kilometres. 1 add 1 is 2, add the 4 is 6. So my answer is 6 passengers made a journey of more than 10 kilometres. And then there's the final part, 3 marks to this question. Big question, using my ability to interpret charts, able to read horizontally and vertically. The 12 kilometre journey took 40 minutes. Let's find it. 12 kilometres, it's this journey here. Notice I'm doing annotations on the question, that's fine. Focuses my attention, helps me think. The 12 kilometre journey took 40 minutes. What time did the taxi finish the journey? So I know that this journey started at 9:40 a.m. and it took 40 minutes. I'm going to have to add 40 minutes to 9:40. So 9:40 add 20 minutes is 10 o'clock, add another 20 is 10:20. 9:40 add 40 minutes is 20 minutes past 10 a.m. Make sure you use it all. So the answer will be 10. Use the same annotation, dot dot, 20 AM. 3 marks using your interpretation skills for charts.